Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create a butterfly wing using 2 of our velvet polishes. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, base coat and builder application, apply a thin coat of velvet sugar to the bottom half of your nail. Apply a thin coat of velvet spell to the top half of your nail and cap the free edge. Using your multi-purpose brush, blend the two together. Hover the large end of your strong velvet magnets around the edges of your nail to lift the glitter. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Blackout and your thin nail art brush, paint a thin border around your nail. Cure for 10 seconds. Paint a long petal shape towards the center of your nail. Then you want to paint curved lines across your nail. Turn your lines into petals by painting curved lines at the top and fill in the gaps. Cure for 30 seconds. Using Whiteout and your dotting tool, paint little spots in the thicker parts of the black outlines. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. You can mix and match any of our velvet polishes to recreate this look. Thanks for watching!